Okay, today we're going to go over our advanced phonics sounds. These are sounds that are going to make you better readers, okay? So I'm going to say the sound and then you are going to repeat the sound and say an example. So for example, the first one, R as in
Sorry.
Very good. Repeat. Sw. As in
Sweet.
Very good. Your turn. As in
Tiger.
Very good. My turn. Say it. As in
Flower.
Very good. My turn. Your turn.
As in bird.
Very good. What type of bird is that?
Blue.
Yeah, it
It's
looks
a
like a
blue
blue
jay.
Yeah, it looks like a blue jay. My turn. I wonder who knows what this is. As in
Sloth.
Good. Repeat. Go.
As in sloth.
Excellent. As in
Turtle.
I can't hear you.
Turtle.
Very good. Gl. Repeat.
Gl.
Not gl.
Gl.
Gl. Good. As in
Glasses.
good.
Yoink.
I am wearing glasses. Or as in
Horse.
very good.
Horse.
Ready? As in
12.
12. Do you know any other numbers that start with
Yes.
Yes?
2.
2, but we don't say two. What about a word where we say two? A number. It's a big number. Not 10, but
1200.
20. Yes, 1200 also. Let's move on. Ready? A as in
Train.
say it yourself.
A as in train.
Good. My turn. As in strawberries. Your turn.
As in strawberries.
Very good. My turn. A as in
Hay.
Your turn.
A as in hay.
My turn. As in old. Your turn.
Old as in old.
Excellent, girls. You're moving fast. You out there are probably moving fast too. Ready? E as in leaf. Your turn.
E as in leaf.
Ooh, I love this drawing. Oof as in wolf. What sound does a wolf make?
Oh.
By yourself. As in
wolf.
excellent. My turn. E as in
Tree.
as in
Mask.
mask. Yes, sometimes SK can come at the end of a word. Like
Mask can be like on your face.
a mask can be on your face. It can be.
Or like
My turn. Yes. Oh, as in boat. Your turn.
O as in boat.
Good. My turn. I wonder if you remember this one. St. As in
Nest.
yes. Oh, I thought it was going to trick you. St. Because st can come at the end of a word, and sometimes
Like
kids get confused.
Stella.
That's the beginning. Stella, ST comes at the beginning. Nest, it comes at the end. Like best.
And crust.
That's right.
Crust.
That's crushed, not crest. All right, here we go. Ready? Now, sometimes OW can say, ow.
It's actually Owen. I was trying to do my split.
Okay, but sometimes OW can say, oh, as in
Bow.
bow. Very good. That's a nice bow. Let's see this one. Ink. Ink. As in
Bank.
bank. This is a piggy.
Bank.
Yes. Oh. Shh. As in
Shoe.
say it yourself.
As in shoe.
Good. Who can do this one by themselves?
Me.
Okay. Up here. Go ahead.
As in and.
Very good. Mookie, you can do the next one by yourself.
A as in train.
That's right. We had that one twice. I love it. as in lamb. That's right, lamb. Who can do this one?
Me.
Okay, go ahead.
As in present.
Very good. As in present, not say
Like
as in present, just like prue. Very good. How about this one, P-Way?
Me.
Go ahead.
As in truck.
Very good.
As in grill.
Good. As in grill.
Not gra.
Not gra. Very good. P-Way, go ahead.
As in bride.
As in bride. Yes. As in
Crab.
and as in. That's right. And I love to do a little crab dance on this one. That's right.
Go in circles.
Ready? As in
Smile.
Let me see a pretty smile. Oh, I love that smile. Nice. And not sn. As in snail. Or sneaky. That sneaky snail. Here we are. I hope nobody says pla. How do you say this? What? Yes. As in
Play.
and as in clock. Yes. As in plane and as in clock. Very good.
Lock.
A couple more left. Ready? As in
Blankets.
louder. As in
Blankets.
and as in
Frog.
very good. As in
Star.
and as in
Spoon.
good. Let's say it fast. As in
Spoon.
spoon. So we have as in star and as in spoon. Next, as in
Skate.
and as in.
Scarecrow.
Isn't that funny? We can spell in two different ways. Yes.
C and K.
Yes. As in
Ring.
air. As in
Chair.
good. I'm going to speed it up now. Air. As in
Bear.
ear. As in
Deer.
good. Let's say this again. Air. As in
Bear.
and ear. As in
Deer.
very good. Aw. Who remembers this one? Aw. As in
Australia.
very good. And aw. As in
Straw.
that's right. Different ways.
A.
Yes. All as in
Ball.
and owl as in
Owl.
owl. How about this? Owl as in house and oil as in
soil.
soil. Very good. How about this? Oi as in
Toy.
or ooh as in
Moon. I see a little tail in it. And there's another one.
Oh can also say as in
Books.
very good. Now this, who remembers what type of flower this is? Yes? A tulip. So sometimes this you can say ooh. So say ooh as in tulip. Say it.
Ooh, as in tulip.
Very good.
Stay like that? Oh
And,
no.
oh, this is a bush. Oh, as in
Bush.
yeah. So you can also say as in bush. How about this one? Who knows?
Me.
Go ahead.
I as in fly.
Very good. How about this Y? A P-way?
E as in puppy.
Very good. Now we're getting into our
like
magical
puzzle.
E's. Here's our magical E right here. So this says U as in
Cube.
yes, an ice cube. And this says A as in
crane.
crane. And the P-way told us a good story about a paper crane, didn't you?
Yes.
Yes.
This is a real
Oh,
story.
everyone loves this E as in
Pete.
that's right.
Pete the cat.
And my favorite O as in
Cone.
cone. as in
bike.
Yes, bike.
Almost there.
Ooh, who wants to do this one?
Me.
Okay, how about you both do it? Go.
As in queen.
Yes, as in queen. And together, let's do this one.
As in whale.
Very good, and that's the end. You all did a good job. Now you can purchase these flashcards on my website, www.akibamaze.com. They're so fun.
www.akibamaze.com.
Okay.